Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Sagittarius. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Sagittarius, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Sagittarius. So let's see what are these cards here for your general energies. We have 8 of fire, 2 of water, and justice. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or maybe in your relationship, you are seeing positive changes that everything is changing, maybe in your work or in your relationship. You are seeing better opportunities today in your career, better offers coming your way, and you are really happy to take up. Maybe for some of you, you are choosing a different path, maybe a second career path, and you are moving towards that, making the right choices, and you have offers coming to you that is making you really happy. Circumstances are gaining momentum, everything speeding up. The same way in this relationship, everything is going at a fast pace today. Sagittarius, maybe this relationship, things are gaining momentum between you both. You have a beautiful understanding, a great intimacy with this person, and you love each other. You care for each other and you respect each other. And that may be the reason you are really confident about this relationship, confident about this person, and you have that harmony and balance in this relationship, and you have that deep connection, a deep bond, just like pieces of the puzzle matched together. You both have that level of understanding, and this person compliments you and they appreciate you and they simply love to be with you. They love you, they love your company. And with this card, maybe guys, you have a deep karmic bond. Maybe this person, maybe the depth of this relationship with these cards, it just shows that maybe you have known them for many lifetimes together. So that is the level of understanding you both share in this connection. And that is the reason this person is thinking of marriage or commitment to you. Or it may be your energy, maybe you're thinking of marriage or commitment to this person. And karma is working. Maybe you did something good, that may be the reason this person is here, and you have this positive, beautiful relationship with this person. And the reason we have such a deep bond, these cards show that you share a very deep bond, and it may mean that you both share a twin flame connection. That may be the reason. Just like uh, you may be two souls, but you are thinking alike, and you have that emotional connect with each other. So it may be a twin flame or a soulmate connection that you share with this person, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card. We will see what it is. Hierophant. So maybe today, maybe it may be this person's energy, maybe they are doing something, they are following something ritualistically, maybe they are into some chanting or meditation, or you are doing it together. That is um, what to say, strengthening the bond you both have. Or Sagittarius, it may also mean that if you take up some practice of meditation or some chant, if you are interested, it is going to make you go much deeper in this relationship. It is simply going to give you more clarity and balance and harmony. With these cards, I can say that already you are in a beautiful place in this connection, and it is going to be more beautiful if you take up this practice. So, that is the energy with this card, guys. So, for your career situation, we have picked one card. We will see what it is. It's Seven of Water. So, you have a lot of dreams, plans for your future. But today, maybe you need to think about those plans and you need to take one step at a time. Maybe plan your action, make the efforts necessary for that. That is going to make you very successful. And that is the reading with these cards today, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep this card aside. We will see what is this card. We have Goldilocks, entitlement. So, with this card, it just means that you are immature in your circumstance, or maybe someone is really immature, and this person is not aware of what to do or how to be in a connection, or how to be um, a person who respects others. And the bears in these cards, they represent respect and something that you must learn to do if you want to grow yourself, if you want to change yourself from an immature person to someone mature, someone who is making wise choices. So maybe you are dealing with an immature person, or you, it may be your energy, maybe you are quite immature, you don't know how to be, how to handle yourself, and maybe there is someone invading your personal space. It may be your energy or someone's energy towards you, and you do not like it, and you need space. Even though if you are in a very good relationship, a positive relationship, still we need that space, still we need that other person to respect us, to respect our uniqueness, to respect our time and that alone time. Maybe no one should invade that. When they do that, they are pushing this relationship to into some kind of difficult circumstance. So people may not like us using their personal space, or using their things, or using them. You should not take anything for granted. So that is the energy with this card, guys. And maybe there is someone like that in your circumstance. You are feeling really worried, or you simply do not like to be with this person. But if this is your energy, you need to change yourself, learn from the mistakes you did, and change yourself. So, that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is a reading for you all today. So, let's see what is the second card. We will keep this card aside. So, for those who chose this second card, we have Rhodonite. So this crystal spirit, it stands for harmony and connection with people. So in our life, in our day-to-day life, we meet so many people, and we are here to learn from others and also teach others whatever we know. So this crystal spirit stands for that harmonious, meaningful connection, and we are in this life together, and maybe in our partnership, maybe in our work, or even in this relationship, when we exchange our gifts, we are going to do things in a better way. Exchange our gifts in the sense, our gifts of talents. Maybe we will know something better than the other person, and when we give that guidance, maybe someone will make use of it. And even in this relationship, this may be the time for you to connect deeply with this person, give and receive. So teach them what you know, and when they reciprocate that, when they teach you what they know, when they help you with their talents and skills, you are going to benefit today, benefit in this relationship for having that positive connection with you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. And you are, um, what to say, you are moving towards a healthy, balanced relationship when you do that, when you share your knowledge, and when you go out of the way connecting with people, helping them out. So that is the energy with this card, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.